guys, here for Vetesniks, and this is a 2006 Honda Goldwing GL 1800 with a California sidecar trike kit. It's a Cobra kit. It's got an independent suspension setup, as most of you know. It is a superior trike kit, probably the best on the market, we would say. Super smooth ride, doesn't give anything up in the corners. Best of both worlds. You can see this one's equipped with the perforated brake rotors and painted calipers, or powder coated calipers, and the hitch. It's got the lit spoiler with luggage rack, CB radio, 42,000 miles, passenger armrests, adjustable passenger floorboards. You got the whistles, fog lights. It's got a good front tire on it, good rear tires. It's got the chrome wheel well trim. Carpeted trunk with cargo light. Okay. It's got pretty low miles. It's been maintained here at the shop. It's ready to go. It's a great time to pick it up this fall, as the price is at an all-time low. Check out our website at www.vetesniks.com for details. Thank you.